Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your weather station Blitzwolf BW-WS04 to the Tuya Smart app. First download and install the Tuya app on your phone. So go to Play Store or App Store and type Tuya Smart in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Tap Agree. Sign up for an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right side of the screen. Then tap on Add Device. Scroll towards the left 3 times. Then close this window. Allow the app to access your location, so tap Allow All. Then tap While using the app. Now tap on Turn on Bluetooth. Next, allow Nearby Devices permission, so tap on Go to Set. Then Permissions. And tap on Nearby Devices. Then Allow. Now go back to the app. Then turn on Bluetooth, so tap on Turn on Now, then Allow. Now the app will try and discover your weather station device. Once discovered, tap Add. Enter your Wi-Fi username and password. Make sure your Wi-Fi supports 2.4 GHz. Then tap Next. It will take a few seconds for the setup to complete. All done. Now tap Next. Then Done. My weather station is now connected to the app. If you have a question, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.